Welcome to our beginner's guide to investing. Investing can seem daunting, especially for beginners, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, we'll cover the basics of investing and give you the tools and knowledge you need to get started. Part 1: Why invest? Before we dive into the details of investing, let's talk about why investing is important. Investing is essential to building wealth and achieving financial freedom. By investing your money, you're putting it to work for you and giving it the potential to grow over time. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow, so it's never too early to start investing. Part 2: Investment options. There are several investment options available to beginners, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Stocks represent ownership in a company and have the potential for high returns but also come with higher risk. Bonds are loans to companies or governments and offer lower returns but also lower risk. Mutual funds and ETFs are collections of stocks and bonds that offer diversification and the potential for growth. Part 3: Setting investment goals. Before you start investing, it's important to set investment goals. Your goals will determine the type of investments you choose and the level of risk you're comfortable taking. Do you want to invest for short-term or long-term goals? Are you looking for income or growth? By setting clear investment goals, you'll be able to create a plan that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Part 4: Investing strategies. There are several investing strategies that you can use to achieve your investment goals, including value investing, growth investing, and index investing. Value investing involves buying undervalued stocks that have the potential for growth. Growth investing focuses on buying stocks of companies with strong earnings growth potential. Index investing involves buying a portfolio of stocks that tracks a market index, such as the S&P 500. Part 5: Investing tips. Finally, here are some investing tips to keep in mind as a beginner. First, start small and gradually increase your investments as you become more comfortable. Second, diversify your portfolio to minimize risk. Third, stay disciplined and stick to your investment plan, even during market downturns. Fourth, consider working with a financial advisor or robo-advisor to help you make informed investment decisions. Investing may seem intimidating at first, but with the right knowledge and strategies, anyone can become a successful investor. By following these tips and setting clear investment goals, you'll be on your way to achieving financial freedom through investing. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.